Vitex seed, also called Chasteberry, is a seed known for supporting women reproductive health. It works by influencing the pituitary gland to balance both the estrogen and progesterone naturally. Vitex seed have been used long ago traditionally to balance women estrogen and progesterone level naturally.
Cases of hormonal imbalance.
Imbalance in progesterone level, estrogen level, prolactin level, Vitex seed can handle it very well naturally. When a woman progesterone is not balanced or estrogen, it can affect conception because it will affect the person's chances of ovulating, and a situation where the person doesn't release healthy egg, conception cannot take place, or even if the conception take place, the person may at the process miscarry. Vitex seed also help to correct prolactin level, like people with high prolactin. Vitex seed help to normalize it. People with high prolactin, they can have different signs like producing milk when the person is not breastfeeding any baby. You see water coming out from here, and there is no baby the person is breastfeeding. It is a sign of hormonal imbalance, and it is a sign that your prolactin have rise to the level that it is not supposed to be. You know, all these women hormone, both progesterone, estrogen, prolactin, when they are higher or lower than the normal level, that is what is called hormonal imbalance, because they are no longer at the normal level, and once they are either higher or lower, they will no longer communicate the normal communication that is supposed to result to conception. So it is this Vitex that you use as a natural supplement to help to correct this. Many people have high prolactin, they don't even see milk coming out from their apple, but there are other signs. Some months they feel like they are pregnant, they'll have signs of pregnancy, and at the end they are not pregnant. It is a sign that your hormones are not balanced. It could be prolactin, it could be estrogen. Many times they will be feeling pains in their ample, serious pains. It is also as a result of hormonal imbalance, though it can also be as a result of other things. But the most thing that cause infertility, and that is very common in women, is hormonal imbalance. And guess what? This hormonal imbalance is actually very simple to correct. So if you're going through hormonal imbalance, worry not. If you're going through family planning after effects, because some women after going through family planning, they will start facing some challenges in which they don't even have in their mind while going for the family planning, and they will not even tell you. And at the end, the family planning will just scatter the communication of the hormones. Once the hormones are not communicating the way they're supposed to, pregnancy will begin to delay. If you have gone through family planning and you find out that maybe you're no longer seeing your period the date you're supposed to see it, in fact your period have turned around and become so irregular, you don't even know your fertile window anymore, because it is not the time that you expect it every month that it comes the date that it wants, then go for Vitex seed. Vitex seed will help to correct it. If you're having irregular period, Vitex seed can also correct it. If you're also facing period delay, Vitex seed can also handle it. It's been there used by our forefathers when it comes to women fertility. Mind you, this Vitex seed is better taken by women, not men. It is mostly for women fertility, not for men fertility. If you're a woman and going through hormonal imbalance challenges, go for Vitex seed and you will be amazed by the result. With Vitex seed, you can improve your fertility chances. This is how you can use Vitex seed. When you get Vitex seed, make sure you get original Vitex seed. This is how original Vitex seed look like, so that you don't make mistakes. When you get the original one, just blend them together. After blending it, then every morning and night, first thing in the morning, last thing at night, you carry half teaspoon of the blended Vitex seed and boil water. When the water is boiled 100 degrees centigrade, then measure half glass cup of water, put it, carry the half teaspoon of the Vitex seed, put it inside, then wait for it to cool down. You will not allow it to be cold, and you will not allow it to be hot. Just when it's cool down and it's warm, the to the extent that you can be able to take it, then you take it morning and night. Some people take this even for 2 weeks and they become fine. Some people 1 month, depending on your own body system and the way your own body system react to it. If you take it 1 month and you find that maybe that you're still facing some challenges, continue until you reach 3 months. But in many cases, many people get better even before 2 months. But in case your own case is different, you can continue to reach 3 months. Vitex is a very essential seed, natural seed that is used to correct hormonal imbalance. It works the way that you may not expect. It is actually amazing. And with this, when your hormones is balanced, you can easily get pregnant.
Just go for original Vitex seed and you'll be amazed by the result.